With the craze of dance reality shows really becoming popular on television, many of you really want to take part in these shows and get your fame and fortune. So today I'm going to share with you some very key factors and some tips that go into the judge's mind for selecting their dancing stars. First up, I hate to break this to you, but the reality is that only 50 to 60% is about your talent and the rest 50 to 40% is about your personality. Now, what is a personality? Well, it's not about having great looks or having a great body. If you have that, well and good. But if you don't, that's okay too. What we're looking for is quirks. We're looking for certain things that distinguish you from other people. Personality does not mean to have a great body and to have a great haircut and to be really cool. Personality means whatever distinguishes you from the rest of the group. And that is what is going to help you get to the audition process. Many of you assume that participating or auditioning from a big city like Mumbai or Delhi can better your chances of getting selected in the team. But here is some news for you. We as judges have the pressure to represent the team of contestants selected in the final round represent Pan-India. So it's very important that whichever city you come from, in fact if it's a smaller city, in fact it works to your advantage. So next time whenever you audition from your own city, A, it'll help you get better votes, B, you can be a part of the Pan-India presence. When it comes to auditions, please be mentally prepared that you are going to have a tough day. Because it may start early in the morning, you'll be called early in the morning, and by the time your time comes to present yourself, it might be probably 2 o'clock in the night. So you must try to make sure that you stay calm, make sure you carry whatever you need to eat and whatever you need to survive through the day, because it's going to be a tough day. Please remember one thing very clearly, that the spot that you want for yourself is exactly the same spot that everybody else wants. So there's going to be a lot of competition, there's going to be a lot of friction for resources, there's going to be a lot of pull and push, so be ready for that mentally. When it comes to your choreography, here are some guidelines that you should follow. First up is that you always work with your strengths. Never try to do a style that doesn't suit you or that you're not trained in. Second, do not make your choreography too dense, which means do not try to catch every beat that is there in the song, because that will simply mean that you lose out on feeling the song and emoting correctly. We really want to see you emote, feel the dance and express yourself. So expressions counts a lot. Fourth, very important factor is that you should use the space. Your choreography should not be static, but should use a space. Most importantly also is the fact that you should have some quirky elements in your choreography. And of course, if you can keep your choreography slightly humorous or make us laugh, that itself can be a very, very big plus point, because at the end of the day, we all know we are in the entertainment business. And now for the million-dollar question. Are reality shows rigged? Well, maybe and maybe not. What they're looking for is, do you have the talent and the X factor that can garner them that many TRPs? The final result, the final winner, very clearly is all dependent on who gets the highest votes. They're just interested in making the show entertaining, people vote for whom they love, and carry on with the next show. Now that you have all the important tips, it's time for you to put your best foot forward. And while you're doing that, click on the like, subscribe, comment or share. And now you can even download the Fame app for free. See you soon next time.